so tired. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Well, poop.
Good morning. How y'all doing today? Let's see here. We loaded up last night at about midnight again, and we are now headed towards Sparks, Nevada. And once we get down there, we're going to drop this one and see if we can hurry up and get a quick turnaround and get going again. Didn't really record much last night, couldn't see anything, and we were just busy trying to get as far as we could get before sunup, which is a really pretty sunup this morning too, by the way. So I am headed back to the truck after taking a short break, and we will be on the road in a minute. See y'all in a bit.
to Sparks, Nevada about midnight last night. We delivered that load to the terminal. We had to do a T-call there. So, we went to bed, got up this morning, and they did not have a load ready for us. Didn't know when they would have a load ready for us, so we just kind of hung out a little while. Got tired of wasting time, so we went over to the truck stop, was going to do laundry, and put the laundry in the washing machine. Mike went and got change. Mike went and got change, and as soon as he came back and was about to put the quarters in the washing machine, they sent us a load. So laundry came back out of the washer, back in the laundry bag, and we went back to the truck. And now we are sitting at the shippers getting loaded, or waiting to get loaded. I don't think they've started yet, have they? So we're waiting to get loaded, and we are headed to...
We're gonna get so loaded, man.
Where are we headed? Gates. Hang on.
Home. Messaging. Home.
That's it.
Messaging.
I don't know where we're going.
One second, folks.
Grant. We're going to Grantsville, Utah.
That's in Utah.
So we're getting out of here. Maybe once we get to Utah, they can get us further east. So we'll see what happens. So we're going to sit here and get loaded, and we will catch back up with y'all later on.
Wait a minute. We almost forgot to add that it looks like we're not getting to Montana anytime soon. We talked to the driver leader, and they have a lack of loads anywhere in the Northwest. And he said that right now it's real slim, so we're just going to try to get some miles on, and whenever they can, they're going to get us up there. So my guess is that'll be January. And
I'm not going in January.
nope, not going in January. So we're kind of up in the air right now as to what we're wanting to do. So we're just going to have to see how it plays out and kind of what direction we go in. And if we get closer to some other places that we like Kentucky, Louisiana, then we may try to pop in over there. We will have to take a little bit of time at some point and finish some tax stuff with our tax lady, which is always fun. So I'm sure we'll be taking a little break while we do all that. But as soon as we can get a game plan, you'll be the second to know. What, buddy? Well, come here. Come here, buddy. Come here.
You just had to do it, didn't you?